Welcome to Singapore Junior Physics Olympiad 2012 General Round Question 44. The figure shows a radioactive substance being held in a small lead box with a hole where alpha, beta and gamma rays emit from the hole. The rays trace out the path indicated in the diagram. The rays finally impact on the screen at points A, B and C. It can be seen that AB is more than AC. Which of the following electric or magnetic fields can possibly have been applied in the space just above the hole and between the lead box and the screen? The options are 1. Uniform magnetic field pointing into the paper. 2. Uniform magnetic field pointing out of the paper. 3. Uniform electric field pointing to the right. 4. Uniform electric field pointing to the left. So first, we need to identify the identities of A, B, and C. And we know that electric and magnetic field only affects the motion of charged particles. So as we can see from this diagram, the motion of A is not affected. It goes in a straight line. So A must be gamma ray. So B and C must be either alpha or beta ray. But from what you can see is that the deflection of particle B is more than the deflection of particle C. And since beta particles are a lot lighter than alpha particles, we can infer that the identity of B is beta ray and C is alpha ray. From the path of the alpha particle, we can conclude that the force acting on the alpha particles is actually to the left. So let's start with electric field, which is more straightforward. So since alpha particle is positively charged, and is experiencing a force pointing to the left, the electric field must also be pointing to the left. As for the magnetic field, we know that the force acting on a moving charged particle under a magnetic field is given by this equation. And again, we know that the force acting on the alpha particle is to the left, and the velocity is actually pointing upwards. So by using this vector cross product, we can infer that the direction of the magnetic field is actually pointing into the paper as shown here. Therefore, the answer to this question is B, 1 or 4, where uniform magnetic field is pointing into the paper or uniform electric field is pointing to the left.